Today's topic, how to create an effective listing on Amazon. Hello. What's up guys? Today I will discuss with you about listing optimization. I hope that information will enhance your understanding of listing optimization. What is product listing optimization? Amazon product listing is the product page for each of the items you sell on Amazon. It is made up of the information you enter when you list your product, including its title, images, description, and price. Listing optimization is the crucial and most important part of any product. Your listing should be great optimized to generate a good outcome. Now the question arises on how to well optimize your list. I'll try my best to explain most easily so that beginners can gain some knowledge through my post. Components of listing optimization. Title. It is the most important part of the listing. We include main keywords in the title. Image. Amazon allows you to include up to 9 product images. Bullet points. It is the most important part of listing. Description. Even though the description is not as crucial as bullet points, but it is still essential. How to create listing. Log into Seller Central, go Inventory tab, click on Add a Product. If you want to add an existing product, then search the product or assign and add accordingly on an existing listing. Click on Create a new listing, select the category of your product from the given categories and subcategories. We can also search the category. After selecting the category, a new panel will open according to the selected category. Title, brand name and main keyword and main related keyword and main feature and size, in inches or centimeters, plus pack size. In case of pack, the product title has a character limit is of 150 to 200 characters, depending on the category. However, Amazon recommends a maximum length of 80 characters so the full title is displayed on mobile devices. The first character should be capital of every word and the rest of the characters should be the lowercase of each word. The title should contain the most important keywords about the item. Do maintain phrases to some extent. The first 5 words have more weightage. Images. Product listing should have at least 5 to 7 images of the product. At least 3 images should be 3D images. If you can't make 3D images, then you can outsource this work. And other images should be infographics and lifestyle images. Images showing the product size and the product being used. Showing multiple angles of the product image. Besides, it is important to follow Amazon's requirements for images. Ideally, you can only have 5 bullet points for your product. So, make sure that these 5 attributes are enticing and convincing enough for a buyer to purchase your product. Every bullet point length should be 150 to 250 characters. Bullet points should have a good readability. Start with the most important and eye-catching feature, then work your way down to less crucial terms. The best way to use this section is to highlight the product's main features and benefits. Start each bullet point with a capital letter. You can write the main keyword again to keep relevancy. Never mislead your customers about your product while trying to make your product attractive. It may result in negative reviews. Do not include company information or website links. Description. It also plays a vital role in Amazon search rankings and conversions. It lets you give more information about the product and include your keywords again. When writing your product description, think about your customer. What is the information they would most want to know? This is the information you should include. Although you should know and read your competitors' product listings, don't plagiarize no matter how tempting. Get to know your customer and understand what they like, what they need to know, and how your product will benefit them. Sell the benefits of your products. This is where knowing your customer helps. If you know your customer base, you know what they need, why they need it, and how your product can help. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share with your friends.